Good morning, Don Lane. Fraser Valley News, your morning news update for this Friday, February the 21st. This time last Friday, there was a Stalo-sponsored protest in Chilliwack for the situation with Wet'suwet'en people. Another protest this Friday, today. And this one will be, and the organizers are calling it Shut Down Abbey. So it'll be in downtown Abbotsford, starting about 2-ish, 3-ish in the afternoon. And we'll be keeping an eye on that. IIO investigating a situation, an incident involving the RCMP in Chilliwack and Chilliwack General Hospital from a person who ended up in medical distress, who was in custody. That person has since been released. Seems to be okay, but IIO is looking at policy if everything was done by the book. BC's latest case of the coronavirus is in the Fraser Health region. Apparently it's a woman who got back from Iran, not China or Korea, Iran. But they are not saying where in Chilliwack this woman is. They're just saying that she's middle-aged. That's all they're saying right now. Playoffs started for, UFV Cascades in volleyball, as well as Trinity Western University volleyball as well. So we're going to be keeping an eye on how those playoffs are going along. If there's something we should know about, let us know. FVN@shaw.ca, FVN@shaw.ca, or news@chilltv.ca. Have yourself a great day. Probably the last of the really great warm days. 11 or 12 degrees today. Clouds roll in tonight. And then just in time for the weekend, it rains. That's how it works. Don Lane, Fraser Valley News.